To log into your Shudder account, you need to be on a desktop to be able to cancel your subscription. You cannot do this from the mobile app, and then click on My Account. Scroll all the way down, and it says Cancel Membership. Click here, then click I want to cancel. Click the reason you want to cancel, then click Cancel My Membership. Here they'll offer you a chance to give you a free month, and I'll say yes. Mine isn't working, so I'll just click no thanks, finish my cancellation. It won't cease your membership until the date when your membership actually expires. Now, I do really like Shudder, and the reason I'm cancelling my membership is because I paid for a full year but found that I wasn't actually watching it all year round and was only actually using it certain months. So I've decided to cancel the yearly membership, and I will be resubscribing on a month-by-month basis. Shudder's got a massive library, and I do recommend it for horror and thriller fans, and I'll leave a link in the description below to get a free 7-day trial.